All right, we're recording.
Morning, guys. So we are out here on Lake Mojave again.
Back in a little cove.
Yeah.
This is a new cove for us. We've never fished back here before.
It's like a little lagoon, man. If you could camp right here, this would be a great little spot.
Oh man, it's beautiful.
Yeah. So we got a few questions. So we did the live with 731 Woodworks the other night, and it went awesome. And we sure appreciate you guys going on there and chiming in and stuff. It was a lot of fun. Talk about just great people. But there were some questions that were asked that never got to be answered. So we wrote a couple of them down. First one is from Chris Bryce, and it says, if you find your niche, or niche, if you want to say that. I don't say that. That's,
I don't either. I put a T in there.
Yeah.
Niche.
Niche. Yeah. Yeah, we're rednecks. Anyway, how do you structure your business? What steps do you take? Well, it's kind of a vague question. I'm not sure I know exactly what he means, but what I think he's asking is, like, once you find what you think will sell and, you know, kind of what you're interested in, then you just, like Dad was saying, take a sign with you wherever you go. For me, fishing and hunting. So taking a big sign to the Sportsman's Expo. I've done that 2 years in a row, and I always get asked questions about it. Going on to like Facebook pages that you're probably already a part of, and throwing your sign out there and saying, you know, just being polite, saying, admin, if this isn't allowed, please delete it. But like several of the pages that I follow are like NorCal turkey hunting, Arizona fish and game, all kinds of different stuff. And just throw your product on there and hang out, you know, in places you go. If you go to the tackle shop a lot or whatever, or if your niche is music, you probably know a lot of musicians. So when you go to shows, take some Metallica signs or whatever. Like it was Evie's dad.
Yeah.
Rod G Customs, Rodney, I think. He made some awesome Metallica signs. So if you go to a concert or a local show, just carry one of those around. And people are like, oh, where'd you get that? Well, I made it. So it's just a conversation starter, and taking the steps is the biggest step you can take. Is just going to places you would normally go anyway, because you go where you're interested in, and carry a sign that similar people would be interested in.
Yeah.
That's the biggest step to get going. But we actually cover this and quite a bit more in our online sales course that's on the website. We go, something's back there.
Yeah.
We go through all that kind of stuff. But that's the first step I would take.
Another thing that you can do, guys, there's so many different things. Another thing that you can do is you can actually give your signs away to places, maybe commercial places that get a lot. See what I mean?
Yeah, there's something back there.
Definitely something back there.
Sure sounds like it's coming this way.
Yeah. Maybe we'll get it on video if it's a Sasquatch attack or something.
That's not exactly what I had in mind or something. Anyway,
give your signs away, you know, to places that can give you a shout out. If you've got a nice restaurant that you go to, make them a sign and let them, you know, have them kind of advertise for you. So there's all kinds of different ways.
Yeah.
Tons of different ways.
Exactly. So I hope that helps, Chris, and I hope it helps you guys. So now it's Dad's turn. You're good.
All right, guys, so here's the second question again from our live stream the other night with Matt and Amy from 731 Woodworks. Married Man Woodworking asks, do we pay for Facebook, Google ads, etc.? I've done that in the past, Married Man, and I've had zero results with it. Now, that's just me. I know there's a lot of places, a lot of companies that get a lot of business from that. But I'm certainly not an advertising guru when it comes to online ads. The pay-per-click ads, we've done tons of those in the past, never really yielded any appreciable results from it. So if you are going to do that, I would suggest get somebody involved, Don't pay them a bunch of money. Get somebody involved that really knows what they're doing. When I did it, to be quite honest, I just didn't know what I was doing. So the money that I was spending, I felt like it was wasted. Except for the fact that I learned that's not what I wanted to do. But Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, all that stuff, it pays for somebody, but it never paid for me. So I think the organic way is the best way to move your signs. Online, like our beginning online sales course, but also like Ryan was saying, like we talked about on the live stream, just carry a sign wherever you go. You can, if your thing is cars, make up a really cool hot rod sign and go to car shows. Whatever it is, make something that you think is going to be valuable to the crowd that you're going to be on. Again, if it's whatever it is, if you're part of Facebook groups, you want to be careful there and not spam. Make sure it's appropriate and it's not doing anything against the rules for the admin. But there's a lot of people out there, when you're making a cool product, there's a lot of people out there that will buy that product if you get it in front of them. So Google ads and Facebook ads, unless I hire a consultant that really knows what they're doing, I doubt whether I'll ever do those again. I kind of like the organic thing. So, and I like, when you go out, you take a cool looking sign with you. Again, like we mentioned, it sells itself. Sales will find you. Anyway, hope that helps. Thanks so much for watching, guys. This is something that we do on a regular basis called Questions on the Water for you, the new people there. I know we've got quite a few new people that are watching. If you have any questions at all, anything that we didn't answer on the live stream, or any questions that we can help with, just email us. I'm Eric@makeawoodsign.com, Ryan with davesigns@gmail.com, and we're happy. We answer questions all the time. That's part of what we do. So don't be shy. Ask questions. We're here to help. So anyway, guys, thanks so much. We love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Oh, he's a good one. He feels really good. Where's my net? Gosh darn it. Beautiful smallmouth. Oh, come on, dude. Come on, dude. Come on now. Where the heck is my net? There. Yeah! Woo! Oh, man. Oh, my gosh. He's a nice one, Rye. Oh, yeah. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, my gosh. All right. Let me get out of this weeds. Ah, dadgummit. Oh, man. Check him out, guys. Oh, gosh. I don't know if I'm still recording or not. Yeah, I think I am. Oh, my gosh. He is gorgeous. Oh, man, look at that. I don't know. He's got to be a couple pounds anyway. I don't know. Wow, I just barely had him hooked. Barely had him hooked. Check that out. Oh my gosh, he's beautiful. I love smallmouth. They're the best. Anyway, all right, little fella. Let's let you go. Woohoo! Ryan's got a fish on. We're going to go check it out right now. Oh man, look at that fish. Oh, what a beauty.
Yeah.
That is gorgeous. Oh, man, I'm hoping I'm getting it.
I think you're pointing down a little bit. I saw them swimming. I think they're on beds.
Really?
This is the second fish I've caught on the worm, just super slow. And
Really?
I saw this guy swimming. I think they're on beds.
Awesome. That's awesome. All right. Okay, guys, here's number 2. I think I'm filming. I just pulled it across this deep hole here. I threw it to the bank and pulled it out. I can't tell whether I'm actually getting him. Yeah, he's not quite as big as the last one, but man, he was fun. He's a fighter. All right, let's let him go. See if we can get this on film. Here you go, fella. Good job.